Whoa, this Rheem tankless heater looks seriously compact. Today, I'm unboxing the Rheem RTG Series outdoor unit. Right away, the build feels clean, sturdy, and practical. It's designed for natural gas and whole home hot water. The promise is simple: endless hot water, on demand. That means no more fighting over the last warm shower. This model delivers up to 9.5 gallons per minute, and it's rated at 199,900 BTUs for strong output. For bigger homes, that matters a lot. You can support 3 to 4 showers simultaneously. That's a huge upgrade from a standard tank heater. The outdoor design also removes venting headaches. Honestly, that makes installation feel much cleaner. The cabinet looks durable, with a simple wall mount layout. It fits neatly without taking up interior space. For crowded utility areas, that's a real benefit. The digital LED control panel is easy to read. Temperature adjustments are precise, down to 1 degree. That level of control feels surprisingly premium. I like how quickly it reacts to changes. The water stays consistent instead of swinging hot and cold. That's exactly what you want from a tankless system. It's also highly efficient, with a 0.82 UEF. Rheem says it can save up to 34% on energy. Compared with a 50-gallon electric tank, that's meaningful. On-demand heating means you only use energy when needed, so the gas bill should stay much more manageable. Safety features are built in, which I definitely appreciate. It includes freeze protection and flame failure protection. There's also a multi-point safety system for added peace. The unit is CSA certified, which builds confidence fast. For reliability, Rheem includes a strong warranty package. You get 15 years on the heat exchanger, and 5 years on parts, which is excellent coverage. Just remember, professional installation is required here. That's not a casual weekend DIY project, but with a qualified installer, setup should go smoothly. For large families, this is a very smart choice. For homeowners wanting non-stop hot water, even better. Plumbers and contractors should also find it easy to recommend. My honest take? It feels efficient, powerful, and well built. If you need outdoor tankless performance, this stands out. I'd recommend it for homes needing serious hot water capacity. Check the install requirements. Then grab the Rheem RTG Series.